Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to get a sitemap using an easy method. A sitemap is essentially a map of your website, guiding search engines to all your important pages. This process is designed to be simple and quick, taking just a few minutes of your time. By following these steps, you can significantly enhance your website's discoverability and ensure search engines like Google can efficiently crawl and index your content, ultimately boosting your online presence. The easiest way to create a sitemap is by using a free online generator. There are many reliable options available. Just search for XML Sitemap Generator. Once you find one, simply paste your website's main URL into the designated field. The generator will then automatically crawl your site, identifying all your pages and organizing them into a standard XML format. This usually takes only a few minutes, especially for websites with fewer than 100 pages. After the online generator finishes, you'll be prompted to download your sitemap XML file. Save this file to your computer. Next, you'll need to upload it to your website's root directory. You can do this using an FTP client like FileZilla or through your hosting provider's cPanel file manager. Simply drag and drop the sitemap XML file into the public HTML or www folder. This makes your sitemap discoverable by search engines. The final crucial step is to submit your sitemap to major search engines. For Google, use Google Search Console. Log in, select your website property, and find the Sitemaps section. Here, you'll enter the full URL of your sitemap, typically your domain, com/sitemap, XML, and click Submit. This action directly informs Google about your website's structure and content, significantly speeding up the indexing process and improving your site's visibility in search results.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.